Benefits and challenges of using controlled insurance programs in construction projects. Bird's eye view using drones in the construction industry. Contractors' general liability policies can contain a myriad of mandatory endorsements and exclusions. Careful review of the terms and conditions, especially when working with E&S markets, is critical to ensure property coverage for insureds, and no unpleasant surprise when it occurs. The article explores 11 of the most common and challenging endorsements and exclusions found on contractors' general liability policies. Hypothetical claim scenarios. Gen Con, a general contractor, was nearly finishing constructing a 5-story apartment building when an employee accidentally damaged a sprinkler head, causing a leak. Gen Con made an emergency call to plumbing store next door, and Joe the plumber promptly arrived and quickly repaired the damaged sprinkler head before any significant water damage occurred. Unfortunately, 1 year after completing the project, the repair failed and the building experienced significant water damage. Gen Con was sued and it submitted a claim to its insurer. Much to Gen Con's dismay, the insurer denied coverage based on the fact that the faulty work was done by a subcontractor, Joe the plumber, who did not have insurance that complied with the subcontractor's warranty limitation form on Gen Contractor's general liability policy, e.g. inadequate limits, no additional insured status. In their rush to fix the damaged sprinkler head, Gen Con had failed to review Joe the plumber's insurance. Gen Con learned a hard lesson and worked with their damaged sprinkler head. Gen Con had failed to review Joe the plumber's insurance. Gen Con learned a hard lesson and worked with their agent to negotiate a less punitive subcontractor's warranty endorsement for the next renewal. This type of restriction is not uncommon. General contractors' liability policies, particularly E&S, often include a variety of onerous endorsements. Be aware of that the carriers may apply different labels to many of these forms. The following endorsements and exclusions should be avoided or restricted. Coming up in my next installment.